In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to clear system data on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. We will go through several steps that together help reduce system data. Now, scroll down and navigate to the option Safari. Once you're over here, scroll down. You're gonna find this section of Clear History and Website Data. Click on that option. Now check in for the option All History. Enable for the option Close All Tabs. Click on Clear History and confirm it. If you also use Google Chrome, you may want to clear its cache as well since both browsers contribute to system storage. Next up, head back to the main page of Settings. Now click on your Apple ID given at the very top. Click on the option iCloud, then click on the option Photos. Make sure you have enabled for this option Sync this iPhone. This keeps full resolution photos in iCloud while storing smaller versions on your device, saving a large amount of storage. Now head to iPhone Storage. Go to General, click on iPhone Storage, where you will see how much space each app is using, along with the amount taken by the system data at the bottom. Switch the sorting to name, scroll to S section and look for software update. If an update file is stuck here, you can delete it. Lastly, what you want to do is first restart your device. Press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, then hold the side button until Apple logo appears. After you do that, you'll be good to go. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. You'll be able to clear system data on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.